1. Question 1. A man pushes wall and fails to displace it. He does 1 negative work, 2 positive but not maximum work, 3 no work at all, 4 maximum work. Option 3 is correct, no work. Question 2. If the unit of force and length each be increased by 4 times, then the unit of energy is increased by a 16 times. B. 8 times. C. 2 times. D. 4 times. Option 1 is 3. A body of mass m is moving in a circle of radius r with a constant speed v. The force on the body is mv squared divided by r and is directed towards the center. What is the work done by this force? Moving the body over half the circumference of the circle. 1 mv squared divided by pi r squared. 2. 0. 3 mv squared divided by r squared. 4. Non-correct answer is option 2. Question 4. You lift a heavy book from the floor of the room and keep it in the bookshelf having a height 2 meters. In this process you take 5 seconds. The work done by you will depend upon A. Mass of the book and time taken. B. Weight of the book and height of the bookshelf. C. Height of the bookshelf and time taken. D. Mass of the book, height of the bookshelf and time. Question 5. A body of mass mkg is lifted by a man to a height of 1 meter in 30 seconds. Another man lifts the same mass to the same height in 60 seconds. The work done by them are in A. 1, 2. B. 1, 1. C. 2, 1. D. 4, 1. Correct answer is option A, 1 to 2. Question 6. The work done against gravity in taking 10 kilograms mass at 1 meter height in 1 second will be a 49 J, B, 98 J, C, 196 J, D. None of these. Option B is. Question 7. A body of mass 6 kilograms is under a force which causes displacement in it given by S equals T squared divided by 4 meters where T is time. The work done by the force in 2 seconds is a 12 J, B, 9 J, C, 6 J, D. Question 8. A cord is used to lower vertically a block of mass m by a distance t with constant downward acceleration g/4. Work done by the cord on the block is A. mgd/4 B 3 mg d/4 bc minus 3 mg d/4 d. Correct answer. Question 9. The force constant of a wire is K and that of another wire is 2K. When both the wires are stretched through same distance, then a W2 equals 3W1 squared. B. W2 equals 2W1. C. W2 equals W1. D. W2 equals 0.5 W1. Correct answer is option B. W2 Question 10. A block of mass 3 kg starts from rest and slides down a curved path in the shape of a quarter circle of radius 2 and reaches the bottom of path with a 4 meters per second speed. If g is 10 meters/s2, the amount of work done against friction is a 60 J, B, 36 J, C, 24 J, D, 12 J. Correct option B. Question 11. A truck accelerates from speed v to 2v. Work done in doing this is a 3 times as the work done in accelerating it from rest to v. B. Same as the work done in accelerating it from rest to. C. 4 times as the work done in accelerating it from rest to v. D. Less than the work done in accelerating it from rest to v. Correct answer. Question 12. If K and Kf are the initial and final values of kinetic energy of a body respectively, then the work done by the net force on the body is a key kf slash kf key b kf plus key c kf plus key slash 2d kf. Correct answer is option D, kf key. Question 13. A particle of mass 10 grams moves along a circle of radius 6.4 centimeters with a constant tangential acceleration. What is the magnitude of this acceleration if the kinetic energy of the particle becomes equal to 8 times 10 to the power of minus 4, which be the end of the second revolution after the beginning of the motion? A 0.18 meters per second squared, B 0.2 meters per second squared, C 0.1 meters per second squared, D 0.15 meters per second squared. Correct, C 0.1 meters per. Question 14. A body possessing kinetic energy T moving on a rough horizontal surface is stopped in a distance y. The frictional force exerted on the body is A. Ti bt slash y ct slash y dt slash. Correct answer ct slash y. Question 15. A force of 20 N is applied on a body of mass 5 kg resting over a horizontal plane. The body gains a kinetic energy of 10 J after it moves a distance 2 meters. The frictional force A. 10 N, B 15 N, C 20 N, D 13. Correct answer B 15 Newton. Question 16. An engine develops 10 kW of power. How much time will it take to lift a mass of 200 kg to a height of 40 meters? Take G equals 10 milliseconds caret 2. A. 4s, B. 5 C 8s, D. 10s. Correct answer C. Question 17. In which case does the potential energy decrease? A. On compressing a spring, B. On stretching a spring, C. On moving a body against gravitational force, D. On the rising of an air bubble in water. Correct answer. On the rising of an air bubble in water. Question 18. In the stable equilibrium position, a body has a maximum potential energy B, minimum potential energy C, minimum kinetic energy D, zero kinetic energy. B is correct answer. Learn like never before. Created by Aman Guru. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.